Oh, hello, my furniture folks. Look at this fresh from the farm, pulled out of a barn coffee table I found. It's in a little bit of rough shape, but not too bad. Not too bad. It was missing one of the claw foots, but the owner still had it. So it's a great start. So I was getting this piece cleaned off and I turned it upside down just to assess what I was working with here, and realized that it was a Stickley, which is a very high quality brand out of Grand Rapids. So sometimes those hoarding tendencies do pay off. I started with my carbide scraper. This was a new tool for me, and I wanted to give it a go. And it worked really well to get those first couple layers of lacquer off the top. Made pretty quick work of it. It does make a terrible, horrible sound. So if you're sensitive to higher pitch noises or scratching noises, this may not be the tool for you. Other options might be a chemical stripper or a power sander like I'm using here. Or you don't need fancy tools. You can always just sand by hand like I did on the lower half of this table. Closest I could guess based on the previous owner's story and some of the identifiers on this piece is it's about from the 40s, so there was some lifting of the veneer. So I just injected some wood glue and clamped that overnight. I really want this channel to be transparent and honest about experiences, and I used a different brand of gel stain and it did not work out, as you can see from the blotchiness. And so I took it down with some mineral spirits, and that seemed to help out. Look at these sweet little claw feet. Claw feet? Claw foot? I don't know. Tell me in the comments. But look how sweet they are. And they were in desperate need of a good polish. And so I think I ended up doing 3 rounds of Brasso to get them to be presentable. But we did get there. It just took a little bit of TLC, which is just fine. Now, coffee tables are one of those furniture pieces that have a really high wear and tear rate. And so I ultimately ended up doing 5 coats of wipe on polyurethane on the top and 2 coats on the legs. I just really needed this beautiful wood to stand up to another 50 or 60 years of hopefully little toys running across it, coffee mugs, all the things that come with life of a table. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. That's how we learn. See you next time.